UAZ-469 is an all-terrain vehicle manufactured by UAZ. It was used by Soviet and other Warsaw Pact forces, as well as paramilitary units in Eastern Bloc countries. In the Soviet Union, it also saw widespread service in all state organizations that needed a robust off-road vehicle. This car was introduced in 1973, replacing the early UAZ-469. It presented two great advantages. It was able to drive in virtually any terrain, and it was very easy to fix. The vehicle was not available for purchase by the public, but many were sold as surplus to private owners. Although this car has proven to be a reliable 4x4, there have been a few problems with the car. The transmission of the original 469 had been known to have problems when not maintained properly. Another major problem within Russia has been the production of parts made out of cheap metals. The 90s saw a significant decline of quality in the assembly of UAZ vehicles as the company struggled to survive and couldn't afford to pay the salaries of its employees. Other problems have been encountered with the modernization of the vehicle, as many of the new electrical and cosmetic parts have been of poor quality. Okay, let's go for specifications. Engine: 2450 cc petrol, inline 4-cylinder water-cooled, 75 horsepower at 4000 rpm. Fuel: 76 octane petrol, tank capacity is 78 liters. Transmission: 4-speed manual gearbox, 2-speed transfer shift, 4-wheel drive. Empty weight of its fuel: 1650 kilograms. Length: 4 meters, width 1.7 meter, and height 2 meters. Wheelbase 2.3 meters. Ground clearance 20 centimeters.